Hello, I'm Jen, and this is your Daily Makeup Minute for March 1st, 2019. Shu Uemura's new Unlimited Foundation is said to be breathable and long-lasting and is already on their Japanese site. There are 25 shades claimed to, quote, precisely match shades for each Asian skin tone. Right now, we aren't sure if it'll have a US launch, but the price currently sits at 5,400 yen or about $48 USD. IT Cosmetics also enters the game with the introduction of Confidence in a Foundation. It's a full-coverage foundation in 48 shades that they claim offers 24 hours worth of hydration. It's on their site now for $32. Ella and Mila sends a sneak peek of the Ultra Goddess palette that's set to launch this month. 6 eyeshadows, a blush, and a highlighter all in one case. And the Ella and Mila nail polish sale has been extended until Sunday at midnight. You can buy 3 polishes and receive 2 polishes for free. Finally, Glow Recipe wants you to try its Hydrating Watermelon Mist. With an ultra-fine spray, it has hyaluronic acid and hibiscus AHAs to refresh your skin in a nourishing oil layer, according to them, on their site now for $28. That's it for now. We'll see you here same time Monday. Don't forget our full-length weekly newscast, What's Up in Makeup, every Sunday morning on YouTube.